Okay, we have a 1997 Freightliner FL70. There's the miles over there. 66,528 miles. Air brakes, automatic transmission. Haven't got her cleaned up. We bought it a couple of years ago and really didn't use it much. Got an air ride seat on the passenger side here. It's actually going to order a new seat cover for that. Here's the dump truck bed for it right here. Door, engine. I'll get up on the tire here and come down on the top of the engine. Get a view of that. Caterpillar power here. Looks like the window's in good shape. Big hydraulic winch on the front of this truck. A little bit of a crack right there by the headlight. She's been sitting for a while, haven't washed it yet, but we'll get her detailed up. But that's what it is. Runs good, automatic, 5 to 7 yard dump bed, hydraulic winch. Oh, last thing, let's go around the rear and you can see the plumbing and trailer hitch. There we go. That hitch is actually removable and can be put on the front bumper. There we go.